Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Halmito onion hair oil. Okay, so you should use this product or not, and what is the benefits, and is this product really worthy for you? So let's get started. The first thing I want to tell you, Halmito is a very popular brand in India as well as in United States and many more countries, and they have a huge variety of products and all the product are related to hair. Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you, the brand is approx 1 year old brand, and they have a huge collection of product. Okay, so in the terms of hair fall product in today's time, there are lots of product available in the market which is used for hair fall and all. And you know very well, like onion is a very good you can say Ayurvedic component which is used for hair fall. Okay, so you should use this product or not. So my dear friends, I want to tell you only one thing: there is a lack of proof, or you can say there is a lack of reviews on internet which can prove this product is really worthy for you. Okay, so the thing is, the results are depend on person to person. Maybe you will get some kind of results and maybe you will not get any kind of result. It depends on person to person and the way by which you are going to use it, because the using way is a very important. You have to use this product at a very good way, otherwise you are not going to get any kind of result. So what is the best way to use this product? That is, like, if you are going to use their conditioner, so first of all you have to apply a shampoo. You have to apply a shampoo on your head, and you have to massage it gently, and then you can wash your hairs, and then you can apply conditioner. Okay, so the best way to apply conditioner, that is, like, you need to apply some conditioner on your mid length to the tips and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, and finally rinse with warm water. Okay, and this is the best way by which you can get benefits of this product. And the results I have already told you. There is a lack of, you can say, reviews, and there is a lack of proof available in the market the product will really worthy for you or not. Okay, so without using we cannot say anything. Okay, so this is the information. Now we can make your own decision what you have to do. I have done my job, now your turn. If you have any experience, if you have any kind of experience related to the experience of this product, then you can share. Your sharing, your comment will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.